Look good, don't it?
Yeah.
Look at it. Banana pudding. Hello, everybody. Let's go over here, Daddy. Here's my daddy, y'all. Yay! Hey, Daddy.
Hey.
So, Daddy is here to visit Nora, and he's been helping out around the house. And then he asked me to help him make a banana pudding, y'all. So this finna be making a banana pudding with my daddy. Well, I'm finna show him. And mind you, I don't even eat banana pudding. Just my dad and my husband eat banana pudding. But I'm finna show him how I made it. I made it for y'all, what, once?
Yeah.
And it was good. Was it good, Daddy?
Oh yeah, good, real good.
I put milk in it, of course. I use the banana cream pudding, bananas. We use the Eagle brand condensed milk, vanilla, and we do the cookies, wafer cookies.
Vanilla wafers.
Yes, vanilla wafers, and then the whipped cream topping, and then our blender here, and then Daddy got a pan, cause he you plan on taking it home, huh, Daddy?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to leave some with Tony. I know I ain't gonna get out the house with the whole pan. So my son-in-law, I'm gonna share with my son-in-law. So
Okay.
it'll be all good.
And so Daddy gonna share with Tony. Them the only two that eat it. I don't think the kids eat it. I know I don't. But let's get cooking, shall we? So Daddy is pouring 2 cups of milk. Got 2 cups? All right. 2 cups of milk. Put that in there, Dad. And then your pudding, banana pudding. So you beat your banana pudding in there.
Okay.
This is the banana cream and 2 cups of milk. So what we do, we pour a little at a time of the Eagle brand milk.
We don't want to leave now.
You don't want to leave none, Daddy? My daddy getting every little bit. You ain't leaving none, huh, Daddy? We gotta put a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Of vanilla.
Spoon vanilla.
Get the whipped cream folded in there. Whipped cream, and you fold it in there. Put it in there, and you just fold it until it dissolves. Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
There you go. So how you enjoying Nora, Dad?
Oh yeah. I love her.
Daddy said he he had
I've
to.
been getting her to sleep every time I have her.
Yes. Daddy
been
said
crying.
he got the magic touch, huh, Daddy? You got the magic touch?
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. You have to talk to her a little bit too. She needs it. You want to hear some sounds. Give her some loving
She like the
thoughts and stuff, and talking to her and making little sweet sounds to her. Go to her ear. She thinks it's music coming out.
Okay, now Daddy is cutting up the bananas.
Yep. They cut them a certain size.
Well, here's the pudding. That did good. Daddy cut up the bananas. Now we get the cookies.
Get the cookies ready. My grandson Aiden,
Ate some.
he opened them up for us. He saw sweet, so he started to open them up already. Now, boy, what you doing? You don't know what them for.
We're making some. Okay. So you
Then
put
what
your
you start off first?
with your cookies.
Okay.
So put your cookies down.
Before we just lay them flat. This? Do it
Oh,
make
it
any
don't
difference?
matter. It
I
don't
think
make a
I'm gonna turn
difference.
them over. I think I'm gonna turn them over like that. One more.
Okay. Now spread your bananas over it. Get you
Okay.
some bananas and spread over
Get
it.
one more over here in the corner.
Look at that. You got your one more in the corner?
Yes. We're gonna go kind of across the top of them, like first layer of this pudding in here. So I got my cookies first, bananas, layer of pudding, and I'm coming back with some more cookies.
And so what do you think? You think this hard to make or simple?
No, I think it's gonna be pretty sort of simple.
Yeah, it's
Once
simple.
we get the little mixing stuff together, I think it's gonna be okay. It ain't gonna be real hard. Okay.
Nice.
So the cookies
Now
here.
your bananas.
Bananas. Okay, we gotta get
So we got,
we do it the pudding next. Or
Yes.
Do the pudding and then
the cookies.
last.
So add some more pudding on there.
A little more back in this corner. Yeah, everything is looking real good, so just let me know what it's gonna taste like. I ain't got no doubt in my mind that it's gonna taste good.
Your very first banana pudding,
Yeah, I
Daddy.
got my daughter's help, and I can be able to think about banana pudding the next few months, and I might decide to gonna make me another one in the next few months
Okay.
at home.
At home, huh?
I think we're gonna have some extra cookies left for my grandson.
For your
Aiden,
grandkids. For Ada.
and Michael.
Go have.
Don't leave Michael out.
Don't leave Mike out. Look good, don't it?
Yeah.
Look at it. Banana pudding. Well, you actually did it. I didn't really do nothing. I didn't really do nothing, but we're gonna let it chill overnight. So let us know if you try our recipe, my dad and our recipe.
I think you're gonna love it.
You gonna like it, right? Did you enjoy this, Dad?
Oh yeah.
It was more of my dad making a banana pudding than me, huh?
Yeah, and I think it's gonna be a thumbs up.
A thumbs up. Yes, where Mike at? A thumbs up. So how about that? Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Thumbs up, Dad.
Oh yeah.
Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel and tell somebody about me, why don't you? Okay? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I do is adore you all of the time. I like to